Today I am going to show you through a very unique tool that how to download different kinds of board resolutions. Today I am going to show you a sample video for board resolution for opening a bank account. You just need to go to the Google, type board resolution for opening bank account BizFoc. Once you will click, you will see on the top bizfoc.com and board resolution format. Click on the format, fill in the required details. All the mandatory details needs to be filled. BizFoc has covered all the kinds of board resolutions that are required by the business houses. Once you have filled in all the details, click on download. You will see a complete format for opening a bank account is being prepared. Thank you for watching.